Alright guys, 2019 Honda HRV with only 8,837 miles on it. Just did the first ever oil change on this, and now we need to do a maintenance light reset. That's why that little eye with the circle on it is on. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna use the steering wheel handle right here, and we have an up button, select button, and down button. Okay, so using the up button, we're gonna go until we hit vehicle settings. We just passed it right there. So under vehicle settings, we're gonna hit OK. So using select reset, this middle button, we're gonna select that right there, and then we're gonna go down till we hit the maintenance option, maintenance info right there. We're gonna select that. We're gonna go down, we're gonna select reset, and we're just gonna hit reset on there. And the reset is complete on this 2019 Honda HRV. Also, what you have here is your TPMS calibration. If you mess with the TPMS sensors, if you change the air pressure on your tires, if you just fix the tire, you will go under calibration, select, and calibrate. And I'm gonna go ahead and calibrate them because I did set all these pressures back to the normal PSI. So I'm gonna calibrate that, hit OK, and the calibration started. All we gotta do is go drive it now. And this car's good to go. 2019 Honda HRV. That's it, homies. See you on the next video.